So, let's go a little bit into who I am before we get into this full video. My name is Henry. I run Midnight Pleasures, batteries, rugs, and other from eBay. A lot of you guys have bought sales from me, but I'm just telling you everything that I do. Here's my anybody who ordered off eBay. This is one of my stock rooms. Yeah, all that good stuff. Oh shoot. So I run a studio, I run an eBay, thinking about canceling eBay. Seller fees are just outrageous. But here's my studio. We're doing a little shipping over here. Let's see if we can focus on this. But here's just some of my orders, paid and shipped. I mean, we can just go down the line. It's Panasonics. I am the Panasonic guy. LG, Panasonic, sex toys, socks, whatever. So here's some of the stock. Those are pre-made boxes. They fit 102 perfect. Here goes some. We got each box labeled. These are all been sitting here, tested, rested. These are some of the, can we focus? Yeah, we're gonna give some of these things away. But on the box, it has how many is in there. As you can see, 102 fits in these little boxes perfect. That's the reason why they're in there. And these other boxes fit, you know, this one fits 450 perfect. So that's why we got it like that. Yeah. So yeah. But this is what I do. This is my studio, my psych wall. We do movies. I rent it out. I shoot myself. Let's go. Let's go upstairs. But I also have a record label. There's some more of my stock over here. What's over here? What do we got over here? Yeah, this is, man, I got stock everywhere. I mean, it's lights, goggles. You know, this is just some of the, man, I mean, I sell the most randomest stuff, but anything to make money. You got to make money in these climates. And I do everything. This is my recording studio. This is the bigger one. Yeah. Oops, the light ain't on. But this is my smaller studio for like pre-production, stuff like that. But okay, story time. How's everybody doing? This video right here is to kind of clear my name and maybe give some clarity of what's going on. I will show all the correspondence between me and Jehu at the end of this video. But I'm the guy that has all the Panasonics. Some of the LGs. Some of you guys have bought through my eBay, batteries, rugs, and other, or bought through Jehu Links, which was Midnight Pleasures. As you see, all the toys in there, the rugs, and other that I sell, which is pretty much everything. We're going to try to make this video as short as possible. So, through my, you know, I dig up and I find a little bit of everything. So, I was actually trying to build myself a power wall. I ran across this video one day, and I said, that's a great idea. So I went out and I found some batteries, and I wanted to do my own power wall, but I ended up with enough to sell, so I just contacted them like, hey, got some batteries to sell. You want to check them out? Sent them a few, and they checked out. So I'm like, cool, let's sell some of them. And we the first time we sold out. We did them real cheap. We just blew them out. I had a rough time. It was so many orders. It took me forever to get those things shipped. But I ended up doing it. He texts me one day. You know, we made a deal that he would get some profit off of it because we would use his customers. Okay, that's fine. That's just business. So he texted me one day like, I got an idea. I'm like, what's up? I'm all ears. That's exactly what I said. He said, send me 2,000 sales. And because I was kind of complaining with the first deal that I wasn't making enough profit on it, which I really wasn't, and I still don't. But I thought it was more profit in the battery game, but it's not. It's just not a whole lot of money. You're not gonna be rich off selling batteries, not used batteries, or even new batteries. You're just not gonna make it. So he comes up with a plan. He says, send me 2,000 sales. I'm gonna build them in my PCB walls, and you will get $360 per sale. I'm like, fucking bet. Hell yeah. There you go. Now I'm going to be making some money at $360 a sale. I was going to be making some money. So I'm like, bet, let's go. So I send them all off the sales, not all at once. Some it was like 300, 400. All along, I'm sending them these sales, hoping that he's going to build the wall, and then I'm going to get some return on some of my money because I'm actually spending to get these batteries. So I'm like, maybe if I send him 700, he'll get a wall done, sell it, and I'll get my money back. Never happened. Within the month that I sent him the whole 2,000 sales, nothing happened. Stacked them on the wall, took pictures, put them on YouTube. Just, nothing. I'm like, cool, whatever. So on my quest, I'm still finding batteries. So I find the Tesla modules. Whole Tesla, got the whole car, everything. I take the batteries out, and I'm like, hey, you want to sell these? Yeah, sure, let's sell them. Can you send me two? I'll make a video, and then I'll sell those for $1,250. I'm like, fuck yeah, here you go. Send them two. Sold the rest of them that same day. He sold the rest of them. So he has the profit off the first set of sales we did, the Tesla module sales. Now, granted, I'm thinking I don't have to send them anything right now because you have my 2,000 sales. This is my money that I've paid for. The Tesla modules, I just sent you 2 of them to make a video with. And you said when you're done, you're going to sell them for $1,250. So I'm thinking your commission that you're going to make, you're going to take them off the Tesla modules and the 2,000 batteries that you have. Now we're way in the realm of over $10,000. We're way over $10,000. And I had thousands of dollars into this. I would have almost rather sold those 2,000 sales and the Tesla modules and kept my money, but he's had it for so long that I just want to get paid. We're going on 3 months here, and I'm just like, I want to get paid. Take your commission, pay me my money. Okay, so we get to the new set of sales. He just sold some sales to some customers on his website. And I said, yeah, sure, I got 10,000 Panasonics. Just bought them. And I'm just like, sell them. He like, let's blow them out. I'm like, cool, let's do it at an unbelievable deal. Let's do $2. Perfectly fine. He posts the next day. I ask him, I say, hey, should I make a new PayPal button for $2? He doesn't respond. I'm like, whatever. The next day, it's on his site for $2.70. So what he has done, he has put 70 cents on there, and he's taking all the money from shipping. My problem was with shipping, I have 2 employees. You have sold all of these sales, only going to give me $2, which is fine, but you're not paying for any of the tape, any packing supplies, any gas. You're not paying for all the ink. You've used $30 in ink. I ended up printing off all the labels, and it was $30. The black is $30. I use Epson ink because it doesn't. You can get it wet and it doesn't. It won't rub off. It's Epson ink. Let me tell you guys, Epson ink is permanent. If you want a permanent ink that's not gonna rub off with water and stuff like that, Epson. It's expensive, but it is what it is. Especially when you're printing labels, and if it gets wet, you don't want things to move around on you. So you use Epson ink. So that was $30 right there. If I'm going to show you my packing supplies over here, and I don't know. Last time I went to the store, it was $200. So he wants the. So at the end of the day, I'm making like 30 cents a sale. After everything is done, I'm making 30 cents a sale. Okay, cool. He sends me the label, so I'm just like, can you at least pay me first before I send this off? Because I haven't got any money from our previous deals. He's like, oh, yeah, I'll send it. Send me your bank account information. So, I send it to him. 1 or 2 days go by. I say, hey, what's going on with the transfer? He's like, they said they couldn't send it to that card. I got a throwaway card. So I'm like, okay, whatever. Here goes my main bank. Oh, okay, I'll send it right through. Still nothing comes through. He says, hey, why don't you just send those sales and I just pay you, I pay you. Like, what the fuck? Excuse my language. No. You have already proven you're not a good paymaster. So what he does is he calls me one night and says, hey, why don't we just call it even on those sales? I don't remember saying that I was going to, build them power walls and all that stuff. Only because he has this new deal with the Revolt. So what he did is, when a new deal has came by, he's forgot about what he did with me months ago. So I'm like, man, stop being, I kind of agree to him. I'm just like, yeah, whatever. Just pay me for the Tesla modules. He tries to run me in the dirt price-wise on the Tesla module. I'm just like, whatever, dude, just pay me. He still doesn't pay me. He still won't pay me for our previous 2 deals, which I will show you through text messages. He still will not pay me for that. And he won't pay me for the money he has took from his customers. He already has this money. So I'm not sending the sales. That's not. He can tell you guys whatever you want. So I'm sitting around here. I mail off the labels and I put, the guy doesn't want to pay me, but here's sales that I sell. I put a blue sale, purple sale, and a gray sale. I'm like, yeah, check them out if you like them. I left, my contact information on there and, come by. I actually have mine in stock. I'm not ordering from one person. I'm not taking your money, ordering from another person, through another person, through another, You order from me through PayPal, it gets done. That's it. I'm not sending those sales. He owes too much money. See, the funny thing is, I don't want to put too much information out there, but this was the first day I contacted Jehu. Yeah, without putting addresses down there, we did a little bit of talking. He's telling me about certain things. And this is what he says, I have an idea. I said, I'm all ears. $500 worth of hardware. I'm asking, what's the idea? He said, sell the kit for $2,500. 2,000 sales. Right there is just saying he's going to pay me $360 a sale. This is when I was like, so 2,000 sell to build a wall? Hell yeah. And, we just did a little few chit-chatting, blah, blah, blah. But there's no way I can owe this man money. At the end of him dogging me, saying that he never got paid, he said, you know what? We're just going to pay this guy and get him out the way. So why would you be paying a person that owes you money? Here's those Tesla modules. And I know this video is getting like super long, but we're just talking about some of the things. So that's 300 that I sent him. Let me see. Yeah, I bought some Snyder inverters, but shout out to Midnight Pleasure, my beautiful wife. Ain't she gorgeous? Just wanted to throw that in there.